Indonesia has a rich cultural heritage. The archipelago that stretches from Sabang to Merauke makes Indonesia has a diversity of cultures from various ethnic groups. Based on the census of the Central Bureau of Statistics in 2010, there are more than 300 ethnic groups, or 1,340 ethnic groups in Indonesia. These various variations gave birth to forms of Indonesian cultural diversity, as we said before. The diversity of Indonesian culture can actually be described from many aspects, such as traditional houses, traditional ceremonies, traditional clothing, traditional dances, traditional musical instruments and song, traditional weapons. Even cultural diversity in Indonesia can be seen in terms of culinary archipelago, which are known to have their own characteristics and uniqueness. Cultural factors greatly influence the formation of consumption patterns and food menu habits in an area. In addition to culture, food patterns or culinary in the archipelago are also influenced by the environment in which they live, which then affects their agricultural and plantation products. Another factor that influences the culinary patterns of the archipelago, namely agricultural products. Differences in the level of soil fertility in each region also produce a variety of natural resources, especially in agricultural. For example, Madura is known to produce a lot of corn. As a result, the staple food in the area uses corn. An example of the dish is nasi jagung Madura or Madura rice corn. Likewise, in Maluku, the staple food of its people is sago, because this area produces a lot of sago. The side dishes for processed sago friends are mostly made from fish, because Maluku is an archipelago that produces a lot of seafood compared to vegetables. Another example of the diversity of food in Indonesia, namely in Padang, West Sumatra, is famous for its rendang, gudeg and nasi liwet in Yogyakarta, pempek in Palembang, tengkleng in Solo, lumpia in Semarang, rawon in East Java, sate lilit in Bali. West Java is no less diverse. There are lotek, batagor, dorok-dok, dodol Garut, asinan Bogor, cireng, cimol, surabi, and there is something called seblak, which is currently a hit among young people and also the dish that we will discuss further in this video.
Seblak is a typical Sundanese food known to come from the Parahyangan region with a savory and spicy taste. Seblak is made from wet crackers consisting of garlic with kencur. Seblak became popular around the 2000s from Cianjur, which existed before the independence era in Parahyangan region. However, what distinguishes seblak from similar food is that seblak generally uses orange crackers with cikur or Sundanese spices and is served with spicy sauce. Seblak is now a street food that is favored by various groups of people, especially in the western part of the island of Java. Along with development of the trend of traditional snacks and street vendors, seblak is not only served with the usual toppings on carts. Seblak developed into a modern food and managed to attract attention. This chewy texture food has spicy and refreshing taste and has several variations, both flavors and additional ingredients, as well as sales packaging.
In this video, I will make seblak. The ingredients needed include onion crackers, mustard greens, oil, water, red onion, garlic, aromatic ginger, meatball, chili, salt, flavoring, egg, and sugar. Step 2. Make seblak. After all the ingredients are ready, put all the seasoning into the blender. Then add enough water and turn on the blender. When it's smooth, pour it into a container. After that, turn on the stove. Then pour the oil into the pan. Add seblak seasoning. Pour enough water. Then crack the egg. After that, stir until mixed. Add onion crackers and meatballs. Cut the mustard greens. Then put it into the pan. Give a little salt, sugar, and flavoring. Then stir it. Stir it again. When it's cooked, turn off the stove. Tara! Seblak is ready! Let's eat! Nyam nyam nyam! Wow! So delicious!
Besides seblak, many other Sundanese foods are delicious and popular. Among them are nasi totok oncom from Tasikmalaya, kupat tahu from Magelang, batagor from Bandung, and many others.
So, that's a variety of delicious traditional Sundanese foods that you must try while on vacation in the city. Delicious and appetizing, right? Oh yes, maybe there is an additional food list from you. You can write it through the comments column. See you in the next video. Bye bye.